Hey y'all, today we are doing a curly frontal with 2 ponytails, and baby, we using red hair. So first off, we starting off with the braid pattern. You know, we have to do straight back braids anytime we do a wig install for a flat foundation. Now once you finish the braid down, sew that braid up. And when you finish sewing that braid up, you're going to oil your client's scalp. After you're done oiling, you're going to go into your scalp massage. Time to pop that cap on. And you know we have to cut the ear tabs into the cap once you get your wig cap on, and then we're going to put the holding spray to mold the cap into place. Once you get your cap molded down, you're going to sew from one ear all the way across to the other ear. Now you're going to tie your thread 3 to 4 times, and then we're going into the first layer of glue. So you always put one layer of glue on before you cut your cap off. Now you go in with your lace tint and spray the lace. Now that the glue is dry, you can go ahead and cut the cap off. Now I'm going in with my brush. I'm just putting a little ruby kisses onto her cap. Here's where I'm putting my 5 to 7 layers of glue on her. I put 7 layers so her wig can last as long as possible. So that's what we're doing here. Smearing in the last layer, and then when you smear it in, don't let it get all the way clear. Leave it a little white, but not quite. And then put your wig on. Pop that wig on and use your comb to comb or massage the lace into the glue, because it just, you know, it melts better when you do it like this, and it makes your install last longer. Now I'm going in and I'm cutting my lace. Make sure you cut your lace jaggedly. It needs to be jaggedly. The more jagged it is, the more natural it looks. Now I'm going in hitting the spots that I didn't get the first time laying the wig down. So now I'm just going in hitting those little spots. I pull the wig up in certain areas to make sure everything is down. Make sure you massage those tips that you're going back over down to. Massage them down with the comb. Now here we're sectioning off her wig at the back so we can sew it down. I always sew the client's wigs down at the back for more security, unless your client requests something different. Now I'm using my mousse and I'm going in sectioning off her hair. So she's getting 2 ponytails, and then her hair is going to be left down on the side. So I'm just sectioning and parting everything off. Here's where I start plucking the hairline, so I can kind of get a feel of how I want it to look, to make it look natural. So yeah. Here I'm going back in with the hot comb to finish sectioning pieces of the hair to the back for the ponytails. Now that I have the hair molded for the ponytails, I'm just putting rubber bands around where she's getting her ponytails at. Okay, so now it's time to section off those baby hairs. So that's what I'm doing here. And I'm getting ready to pluck, so you're going to see me mold the hair back with some holding spray to just get the hair out of the way and get it molded. Here I'm using my lace melt spray, and it's to melt the lace, and then I'm going to go into plucking the hairline and plucking the baby hairs. I'm going in here cutting the baby hairs with the razor, you know, for a more natural look. Now you go in with your lace melt mousse and lay those baby hairs down. And you know, last but not least, we have to go in with our mousse. Putting mousse all over her hair to make the curls pop. Now I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses makeup to make the parts pop more. And these are her finished results. I hope y'all like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share if you care. I will see y'all on the next video. Bye.